Hi, welcome to today's video where I would like to show you the 5-star Grand Plaza Hotel in Pattaya. It's located only 1.2 kilometers from the city center and less than a kilometer from the beach. The closest beach is North Pattaya Beach, but there is also Wang Emet Beach nearby. The nightlife lovers will love the fact that the hotel is only 15 minutes away from Soi 6 and Bidro. Others will appreciate that there is also the Central Marina Shopping Center. The hotel offers a large basement parking area for up to 150 vehicles. As for the hotel itself, its design reflects elegance, combining dark brown and beige colors. The surrounding area is vast, with plenty of greenery, creating a very pleasant and calm atmosphere. First, we enter this huge and luxurious lobby with a staircase that looks just like one from a grand palace. Moreover, the lobby features a seating area and a 24-hour front desk. The hotel offers 287 upscale rooms and suites. You can choose from Grand Room, Grand Suite, Premium Grand Suite, Family Suite, and Premium Family Suite. Right now, we are entering the Premium Grand Suite room, featuring a king-size bed, sofa, desk, armchairs, fridge, in-room safe, air conditioning, TV, and necessary kitchen amenities. The bathroom includes a large bathtub, shower, toilet, sink, mirror, and other bathroom amenities. The accommodation units are really spacious, and each of them has a private balcony with sea, pool, or city view. The prices per one night for 2 people range from $58 to $395, depending on the room type and the time of your visit. If you like the vibe of the hotel, you can book a room by clicking on the link below this video. The hotel offers various facilities, such as a meeting room that can cater 1,500 guests, smaller seminar rooms, and a saltwater swimming pool where you can refresh yourself with light snacks and drinks. There's also a spacious and very well-equipped fitness center the gym rats will truly appreciate. Thanks to various machines, you can do both cardio and strength training in different ways. Coffee lovers can spend their free time in this street-style cafe called Kavana. They can choose from a variety of coffees and drinks. Next to Kavana, there is a playroom for the youngest guests of the hotel. We are slowly moving to Jimmy & Co Bar and Royal Kitchen Restaurant, where international buffet breakfast is served. Apart from breakfast, the restaurant also offers freshly prepared international cuisine for lunch and dinner in a pleasant atmosphere. Royal Kitchen Restaurant is really extensive and has a capacity of up to 500 people. Jiminy Cove Bar is more of an Irish pub-style bar with a very unique vibe. The entire hotel is truly top-notch, spacious, has a friendly staff that will help and assist you anytime, and definitely deserves 5 stars. You will certainly not regret your stay. This would be all from me for today. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.